Dear viewers, today I am going to explain 6th class whole number chapter name introduction. Here in previous classes we learnt about the counting numbers means natural numbers. It is previous classes. Okay, once more I will explain the definition of the counting numbers. While counting the things we need to use the numbers, isn't it? We need to use the numbers like 1, 2, 3. Those numbers are called natural numbers. Natural number set is we can represent in the form of n is equal to 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 4 up to so on. We have infinite many natural numbers. Okay, natural number set is denoted by capital letter n. Okay, here in this we can say that the smallest natural number is 1. Why? Because natural numbers are starting from 1. We can say the smallest natural number is 1, but we cannot say greatest natural number. Why? Because we have up to infinite natural numbers, so we cannot say the greatest natural number. Okay, next in this, after this definition, we can say one thing about if you add one number to other number, we will get the next number. That is called successor. Okay, suppose successor, how we can define? The number that comes just comes the after number. Okay, that is called successor. The number just comes after the given number. Just comes after the given number is called successor. We can write the formula for successor. n plus 1. Successor is equal to n plus 1. N is a given any natural number. If you add 1 to that natural number, we will get a successor of that given number. Okay, next term, predecessor. Okay, predecessor, we can say the formula n minus 1. The number that comes just before the given number is called predecessor. Predecessor is equal to n minus 1, where n is a natural number. Here examples given. Successor of 9 is 10, predecessor of 9 is 8. If you subtract 1 from 9, you will get predecessor. If you add 1 to the 9, you will get the successor. Here for natural numbers, we can write the predecessor and successor. Here predecessor of 13, what we can write? 12. Why? Because 13 minus 1, we can write 12. Predecessor means we need to subtract 1 from the given number, isn't it? Next, successor. If you want write successor, 13 plus 1, we need to add 1. You will get a successor, 14. Okay, similarly, you can write 236. Predecessor of 237 is 236. Successor of 237 is 238. Next, 999. If you take predecessor 998. Okay, isn't it? 1 we need to subtract. If you add, you will get 1000 here. 25 here, 27 we can write successor. Okay, 9 means here 8 and plus 1 here 10. See, 1 here we are talking about natural numbers. So 1, if you take 1, what is the predecessor of 1? Does not exist. We cannot say predecessor of 1 does not exist. We should write here. Next, here successor is 2. Okay, this is the how we can complete the given table. Okay, next, here numbers. You might have come to know that the number 1 has no predecessor in natural numbers. That only I told you. Okay, if you include 0 to the natural numbers, you will get the new collection of set. That set is called whole numbers. Whole number set is represented by capital W. Okay, by capital W. Now capital W we can represent the set 0, 1, 2, 3 up to so on. These are the whole number. From this, what we can say, the smallest whole number is 0. The smallest whole number is 0, we can say. Next, see here, which is the smallest whole number? Which is the smallest whole number? 0 is the smallest whole number. Or all natural numbers whole numbers. Or all natural numbers whole numbers. all natural numbers are whole numbers or not? Yes, all natural numbers we can say whole numbers, but all whole numbers are not a natural number, so this is no. Okay, now next is representation of whole numbers on the number line. How we can represent the given whole numbers on the number line? Very simple. Representation of whole numbers on the number line. See, suppose example, they will give any numbers like suppose represent 2, 5, 9 on the number line. These are the whole numbers, isn't it? On the number line. How we can represent? You should take the number line. Write the numbers on the number line. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Up to 10 enough. Why? Because here up to 9 only given. Okay, so you have to represent given numbers on the number line. 2 is given, so where is the 2? You need to circle. Next to 5 is given. 5 means you need to do circle. Okay, next to 9, wherever 9 is there, you need to do circle. This is the how we can represent the given whole numbers on the number line. Okay, this is the concept about the representation of whole numbers on the number line. Now here one table is given. Number, position on the number line, relation between the numbers. Very simple. You should remember always greater numbers are the two important points I will explain. Always greater numbers are right side of smaller numbers. Right side of smaller numbers. Okay, you should always remember. Example, if you take 5 and 6, here if you compare these two numbers, 5 is always small when compared to 6. Okay, now we can write 6 is the greater number. If you represent on the number line, see where it will lies 6. 6 is a greater number. No, that greater number where it will be, where it lies on the number line. Okay, see, 5 is the smaller, 6 is the greater numbers always right of the smaller numbers. Okay, this is the smaller, this is the greater, isn't it? So this, for this 5, this is the left side, this is the right side. This is the left side, this is the right side. Okay, right side. So always greater numbers are right side of the smaller numbers. Okay, this is one important point. Next, second one is always smaller numbers are left side of greater numbers. Okay, isn't it? That only. Suppose 2, 3. If you take numbers 2, 3, now take the number line 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Suppose 2 is a smaller when compared to 3. Okay, 2 is very small when compared to 3. Here for 3, this is the left side, this is the right side. See, smaller number always left side of the greater number. Okay, these are the two important points you need to remember. Based on this concept, there is a table given that we need to complete. One done for you. Okay, now 16, 12. When compared to 16, 12, 12 is the smaller number. Okay, 12 lies right of the 16. Okay, we need to write position of that. 12 lies on the right of 16. Okay, we can write 12 here, 12, 16. 16 is the greater number when compared to 12. So sorry, this is the 12 lies left side. If you write with respect to 16, 16 lies on the right side of 12. Why? Because 12 is the smaller number when compared to 16. Okay, like this. Now you should find out which is greater number in this. 9000 is the greater. So 9521 is lies right of 1182. That you need to write. Okay, 9521 lies on the right of 1182. Okay, here relation also we need to write. So if you write 9521, 9000 is always greater than the 1182. Similarly, this also you need to write. Okay, this is one more 236, 210 also you need to write. This is the given solution. This I will write here. Okay, 236 is the greater, so it is lies right of the 210. Okay, that you need to write, and the relation also you need to write. Here also first you need to find out the which is the greater number. With respect to that you need to write down. Here in this is the greater number. This greater number lies right side of the this number 10,046. That relation also you need to write. Okay, this is the concept. Next session I will explain addition on the number line. Okay, thank you.